Today I'm talking with Gall, Garrec, who's the Vice President for EMEA at Envivio, and Michael Plein, who's CEO at Vinson. Hello, gentlemen.
Hi.
Now, the broadcasters in Belgium, or three broadcasters in particular, VRT, VMMA and SBS Belgium, have introduced a new app to the market. It's called Stievie. So, first of all, Michael, can you tell us what that app is and, you know, what is the consumer benefit of it?
Yeah. So, first of all, it's still a trial at this moment, and it's an OTT app, so it's mobile television broadcasted on mobile devices. And I think the application stores all the linear channels from the three broadcasters, so their main channels, and they have a catch-up window of 48 hours. So you can watch it not only in your home, but also outside of your home, and that's quite unique.
Okay, so it's a complete multi-screen app, catch-up linear,
yes.
Inside home, outside home.
Yes,
it's quite unusual in the sense that the broadcasters have cooperated. I mean, that's fairly unique, I would guess.
Yeah. But my knowledge it's the only collaboration of the main broadcasters in a country working together to make one product for the end user.
Okay, and just in terms of the apps, are there any sort of differentiating features that would set that apart from other broadcaster apps that we've seen in other countries?
Yeah, I think it comes down to Vinson, and Vinson is an application that tries to push it to the next level. So you have your normal television experience, but we try to interact with the end user by using social media. And for example, you can send me a text message with a picture. With Vinson, you can send somebody a television moment. So we've made all those nice features to extend the television experience, and we have wrapped it in a very beautiful interface. And the response from the audience is just great. Reading the tweets, that people say, "Wow, this is what I've been searching for. This solves a lot of problems." Really motivates us as a company, to take it even a step further.
Okay, and this is all based on a white label solution, which is an end-to-end kind of mobile video solution. So what are the technology elements involved in that, just quickly?
Yeah, so Vinson is just a white label product. In Belgium it's called Stievie, and it involves an application that you can install on your telephone or tablet. And secondly, we have built a backend that stores all the information and all the technology. And it's based in Azure. Azure is the cloud service of Microsoft that solves the scalability issues. So at a very, for example, evening where you have, for example, a final of a show, you have a lot of people, we can extend the backend. And at quieter moments we can shrink it again. And thirdly, we have, of course, you need content. And that's where we collaborate with Envivio. So they make sure that all the content is in high quality, it's nicely encoded, and that all the end users have a equal user experience.
Okay, well, Gall, tell us about that video process inside then. I mean, it's linear plus on demand. So what are you doing with the video when it comes to you?
Yeah, so Envivio is providing in this Vinson applications the headend, the video headend, in order to encode the content. So we capture the content and we are encoding on the fly for live and offline. And you have actually in the Vinson application 10 TV channels encoded on the fly, and with 4 profiles each. Each profile can address multiple devices, such as iPhone or iPad or phablet or any kind of new devices, a Galaxy from Samsung, whatever. So what Envivio is providing is first the best video quality experience for the end user. We believe that in addition to the fantastic turnkey solution from Vinson, we are providing inside the best video quality experience by all the details, a lot of motion estimation that our encoder is able to provide. And that's very, very important for us to attract a new end user on Vinson applications.
Yeah, because quality of experience, I mean, when these sort of apps first arrived, it was a great novelty, so everybody accepted what they were given. But now, after sort of people are used to them, expectations are growing. So, I mean, what are the next steps in terms of guaranteeing a really good quality of experience for this kind of app?
So we believe that exactly today the video quality experience required is up to 1080p for HD quality, but we're already working on an HEVC encoder, which is the next generation of video quality, so 4 times more definitions. And Envivio is a leader and will be the first to deliver the first HEVC encoder, and without changing anything on the existing head end with Vinson, we will be able to deliver HEVC immediately after the end user devices will be available on the market. So HEVC is a new challenge, Envivio is ready for it, and Envivio is going to demonstrate it very soon, and Vinson will be able to be upgraded very quickly.
And in terms of the on-demand content, is that catch-up? So are you taking the live feed and then turning that into an on-demand asset almost immediately?
Correct, absolutely. Our video live encoder is able to run catch-up TV, and of course to be fully integrated with such a very, very attractive GUI like Vinson. And today we're demonstrating that perfectly with this new deployment with Belgium operators and broadcasters. So today we believe that the combination of both experience, a nice GUI with a nice video experience, is a key success to attract new customer and subscriber. Okay,
and Michael mentioned the cloud. I mean, how do you integrate your solution into the sort of the cloud infrastructure that's created here?
So in fact, our infrastructure is just very simple to integrate. You can integrate our video encoder on site or at distance. I mean, very, very, very easily. But you can also run our software on Blade server if required. So we are very flexible. So you can adapt very quickly your network infrastructure with any video head-end encoder to your requirement. So again, flexibility, best video quality is the key for the success for a nice deployment.
Okay, and just finally, Michael, presumably you can take this white label solution and go into other markets for other people with this?
Yes, of course. Yeah, and that's what we've been doing. Since the launch, we have a lot of nice reviews about the leading blogs like TechCrunch and the Next Web. And so I think if my potential customers are looking at Vinson that you can download in the App Store, they're actually seeing what their end users would see if they would white label it with their brand. And yeah, just, you know, what Gall was saying is, so my customers, when they see the application, they see the end product. So I show them a demo. They say, wow, I want to have this tomorrow. Usually these kind of projects takes months to integrate it. If we work with the partners that, you know, can be agile and flexible, we can deploy such a whole turnkey solution within 5 to 6 weeks. And that's, I think, in our world where, you know, normally it would take only the RFI to receive and to be answered within 6 weeks. We can deploy within 6 weeks. I think that's also one of the key benefits of, you know, Envivio and Vinson working together.
Sure. Okay. So time to market, another key benefit as well.
Absolutely.
Yes. Okay. Well, thank you both very much for coming in to tell us about it, and good luck with all your future projects.
Thank you.